EdgeGallery MECM, Multi-Access Edge Computing Manager, provides users the ability to onboard, distribute, orchestrate and monitor the Edge applications. MECM comprises of modules both at core and edge of the cloud. Together they enable the user to perform the complete lifecycle management of the Edge applications. There are two key components of MECM architecture, the MEO, Multi-Access Edge Orchestrator, on the core, and the MEPM, Multi-Access Edge Platform Manager, on the edge. The MEO consists of the APM, Application Package Manager, for Edge application package synchronization and distribution from App Store to the Edge clusters. The APO, Application Orchestrator, that performs intent-driven application deployment and provides the resource management across the edges, and the inventory as a persistent layer for status, topology, config and to provide a real-time view of the applications deployed by the given EdgeGallery instance. The MEO interacts with the common services for security, logging, tracing, and database operations. It interacts with the management services for the infra, platform-based operations. The MECM FE, MECM frontend, provides the graphical user interfaces for interacting with the MEO. The MEPM resides on each of the edge configured to the EdgeGallery core. It consists of the App Rule Manager, responsible for configuring the traffic and DNS rules for the Edge applications. The App Rule Manager interacts with the MEP, Multi-Access Edge Platform, to interact with the deployed applications in a given edge. LCM Controller is a multi-cloud adaptation layer and large, that works as a proxy for the underlying cloud infra. It consists of the OS plugin for interacting with the OpenStack-based VMs. The K8s plugin is a Helm client to interact with the Kubernetes clusters. One can also add custom adapter plugins to the LCM controller based on the business needs. Resource Controller performs the LCM operations on the resources, virtual machine or Kubernetes container, through the respective plugin of the LCM controller. The MEPM FE, MEPM frontend, is the graphical user interface similar to the MECM FE. It has UI pages for the user to perform the MEPM-based operations. Let's see the key functions of MECM. Synchronize, distribute, orchestrate and monitor. On tenant request. Application Package Manager APM, download application package from App Store. Validates application package, and synchronize application image from source repository to image store MECM Harbor repository. Tenant can synchronize application images using App Management. Package Management provide option, synchronize from App Store. Choose App Store to display available applications. Select applications and click on Confirm to synchronize application images. On Distribute request. Application Package Manager, APM, download application package from App Store, and distribute application to all the selected edges interacting with MEPM. LCM Controller, based on Vim type, choose underlying plugin to upload application image or images. K8s plugin downloads application images from Image Store, and upload images to Edge host. If the Vim type is OpenStack, OS plugin downloads the application image from the file manager, and uploads the application image to the Edge host created using OpenStack. Let's see how to perform the application distribute operation from the MECM FE user interface. On successful distribution, the tenant can initiate application deployment. The Application Orchestrator APO downloads the application package from the Application Package Manager, and decomposes the application package for orchestration. APO interacts with Multi-Access Edge Platform Manager MEPM to deploy application package. LCM Controller registers application with Multi-Access Edge Platform MEP, along with access key and secure key AK and SK. LCM Controller, choose appropriate underlying plugin based on Vim type. K8s plugin uses Helm client to deploy the application on the K8s Edge host. If the Vim type is OpenStack, OS plugin deploys the application on the VM created by OpenStack. App Management from MECM FE Frontend provides option to select distributed application package to deploy on the Edge host. Click on Deploy. Provide input parameters required for application deployment. Click on Confirm. Wait for the status change. On successful deploy, status updates to instantiated or instantiation failed on error. To monitor applications or services topology, go to MEPM FE Frontend. It provides key performance indicators such as CPU, memory, etc. Click on Edge Node Management. Click on Details to monitor Edge Node. To see the Edge Node and its status, click on Maps. Zoom out to see the location of the Edge Node. Click on Manage to get topology and overview of applications and services on the Edge node. Overview of applications and services provides information about applications, services and subscriptions counts. Edge node MEP capabilities. Edge node service details. Topology provides graphical view of service producer and service consumer applications and their dependencies. EdgeGallery code can be found under gt.com/edgegallery. Documentation can be found under edgegallery.org/en. MECM Core and Edge Components Deployment Overview and Modular Interactions. The first step is to configure the App Store, MEPM and Edge host. The next step is to synchronize, distribute, deploy and monitor the face recognition application. Click on Systems to configure Application Store. Input required details such as App Store name, App Store IP address, App Store image repository, credentials, etc. Click Confirm and wait for the success message. Next we configure the MEPM. Click on Systems to configure Multi-Access Edge Platform Manager MEPM. Input required details such as MEPM IP address and MEPM port. On successful configuration of App Store and MEPM, we next configure the Edge host and update the MEPM init. Click on Edge Nodes to configure Edge host. Select Vim type, K8s or OpenStack. Input required details such as Edge name, Edge IP address, Edge location, capabilities, etc. Select Multi-Access Edge Platform Manager MEPM. Click on Upload Config File, to upload Kubernetes or OpenStack configuration file. Tenant can synchronize application images using App Management. Package Management Provide option, synchronize from App Store. Choose Application Store to display applications list, select applications to synchronize and click on Confirm. App Management allows tenant to distribute application package. Click on Distribute. Select Edge Node or Edge Nodes. Click on Confirm to distribute face recognition application package on selected Edge node. Status changes to distributed on successful distribution. Distribute monitoring application package. Click on Distribute. Select Edge Node or Edge Nodes. Click on Confirm to distribute monitoring application package on selected Edge node. Status changes to distributed on successful distribution. App Management allows tenant to deploy application package. Click on Deploy to instantiate face recognition application. Input required parameters such as application name, application description, capabilities. Click and confirm to instantiate face recognition application. Status changes to instantiated on successful instantiation. To deploy monitoring application, click on Distribute and Instantiate. Click on Deploy. Input required parameters such as application name, application description, capabilities. Click and confirm to instantiate monitoring application. Status changes to instantiated on successful monitoring application instantiation. Click on Application Instance to see application's pod status, KPIs such as CPU, memory, etc. To monitor applications or services topology, go to MEPM FE Frontend. It provides key performance indicators such as CPU, memory, etc. Click on Edge Node Management, click on Details to monitor Edge Node. The Edge Node location and status are displayed on the map. Click on Manage to get topology and overview of applications and services on the Edge node. Overview of applications and services provides information about applications, services and subscriptions counts. Edge node MEP capabilities. Edge node service details. Topology provides graphical view of service producer and service consumer applications and their dependencies. On successful deployment, user can access the application home screen. EdgeGallery meets the connection plus computing characteristics of the telecom industry. Standardize the openness of network capabilities, especially those of 5G. It offers toolchain for migrating x86 applications to ARM, and supports smooth migration and optimization of applications across platforms. EdgeGallery is thus a one-stop solution for all of your edge computing needs.